Temperatures have been above average the past couple of days, which is a little bit of a downside when you're trying to study and it's so gorgeous and warm outside. You just want to be outside. We will have some rain moving into the area. That could help you stay inside and study for some finals. Depends on how you look at it. Our forecast temperatures for today, 70 degrees to 55. That is our forecast range. Our average temperatures range from 67 to 45. That record high set back in 2000 of 83 degrees, and that record low set back in 2011 at 34. So again, we'll have temperatures that are above average, which is definitely good when you're coming off of a relatively cool winter. Temperatures this morning will be in those upper 60s already by 10 a.m. 67 in LaPorte, 68 in Gary, and here in Valparaiso. And we will warm up to the low 70s. 72 is what this model is saying here in Valpo. 64 in Gary, and then away from the lake influence, 73 in Chicago, 71 in Joliet. We will cool down into the 50s during the overnight hours. 58 here in Valpo, 59 in LaPorte, while just down to our south, a little bit warmer, 65 degrees in Wheatfield. As we continue on through Wednesday, that is when we can expect that warm up. 80 degrees here in Valpo, 82 down to our south in Wheatfield and in Rensselaer. And again, dropping down in the overnight hours, but this time only dropping down into the low 60s, 62 degrees here in Valpo and in Wheatfield, and even in Winnemac, 61 in Rensselaer. Now, the rain and storm activity is the big weather story for these next couple of days. Most of that activity we saw early this morning, and by the time we head into Tuesday afternoon, we can see just a few isolated storms here and there, but we're not expecting a lot of activity today. And then even as we head into Wednesday afternoon, just a few passing showers and storms throughout the day. Thursday looking like the best day to experience a slight break in the rain and the storms, but again, you can't rule out an isolated storm or two. So for today, 70 degrees, again, a few storms, most of that in the morning, but we can't rule out an isolated storm or two. East winds at 10 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, 55 degrees for that low temperature, mostly cloudy conditions. Southeast winds at 5 miles per hour. Those will shift to the south as we head into tomorrow, and that will help warm us up and again, add fuel to the fire for those storms. So a few storms lingering around by the time we head into tomorrow, near 80 degrees for that high temperature. Thursday, again, looking like the day that we can experience the least storm activity. There is a very slight chance in there, but I decided to be a little bit optimistic and leave it off of the board. And then Friday, those chances are big enough to put it back on the board once again, 81 degrees. Again, those warm temperatures really adding fuel to the fires. Saturday, 77 degrees. Sunday, 74. So we're starting to get into another cool down, but we're still in the 70s and still above normal, which is definitely good news after coming off of a cool winter. Well, Valparaiso, it has been an absolute pleasure. For the last time, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Rachel Duensing. Have a great day.